Introducing Designer 40-weight all-purpose polyester thread. When you need a thread you can count on, Designer knows how to get it done. This reliable 40-weight all-purpose polyester is made for any general sewing, garment construction, and sergers. Strong and flexible with a soft texture, it's practical for any everyday use. Fashion designers and professional dressmakers love this thread for its strength and versatility. When you're constructing clothes, an all-purpose polyester like Designer is your best choice. Because the thread has a little bit of flexibility to it, the seams will move with your body. After all, no one wants to hear that dreaded pop 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 of stitches breaking when you raise your arms. This is something that can happen when sewing clothes together using cotton thread instead of a flexible all-purpose polyester, as cotton has little to no stretch to it. But Designer isn't just limited to the needle. This is a fabulous serger thread that is perfect for finishing the raw edges of any project. Designer is both color-fast and safe to iron, even on high heat, and it can be safely used in washer and dryer machines without losing its strength and durability. We recommend a size 80-12 universal needle when sewing with Designer. And the best part? Designer comes in a whopping 210 different colors. That means you'll always be able to find the perfect color match to any project. Reach for Designer the next time you need a reliable general sewing thread or want to sew your own garments at home. After all, what holds your projects together is one of the most important factors, even when you can't see it. Inspired to sew with Designer? Head on over to shopwonderfil.com for a list of stores and retailers you can purchase from.